back to my channel. In today's video, I'm showing you my clarifying wash day using only 3 products. But first thing I like to do is to finger detangle my hair. Next, I grab my favorite clarifying detox shampoo by KENRA. You can purchase this detox shampoo from my Amazon store. The link will be in the description. If you're using a different clarifying shampoo, comment yours down below. I shampoo my hair twice with my detox shampoo. You can get away with shampooing only once depending on how much buildup you have. Clarifying wash days are a must because it strips the scalp from its natural oils, moisturizers, and oils that we use throughout the week or throughout the month. This is important also if you want your moisturizing and seal and deep condition to actually penetrate the hair. That leads me to say that I only clarify my hair once a month or as needed. I would recommend not clarifying more than 2 times a month. Next, I grab my KERACARE Hydrating Detangler Shampoo. Again, the link to this shampoo will be in my description. Can I just say, my high porosity relaxed hair loves this hydrating detangling shampoo. It immediately gives me slip, allowing me to run my fingers through my hair in the shower. It also has a light floral scent that leaves the hair smelling good and soft. So if you're looking for a good hydrating moisturizer detangling shampoo, give this one a try and comment down below your results. Next, I grab my AFFIRM 5-in-1 Reconstructor Conditioner. This product has keratin in it, therefore it is a protein, thereby making it good for damaged or fine limp hair. After thoroughly placing the product throughout my entire head, root to tips, I cover my head with a plastic bag for 30 minutes and sit under my steamer. The link to this steamer can also be found in my description. Next, I proceed to rinse the conditioner out my hair thoroughly. Then I grab my KERACARE No. 2 Humectant Cream Conditioner. This helps to correct and prevent moisture loss due to exposure to chemicals as well as thermal appliances. It also helps to prevent brittleness, breakage, and splitting as it hydrates and detangles the hair. What conditioner do you know that does all of that? I'll wait. Comment down below. Next, I sat under my hooded dryer for 15 to 20 minutes with a plastic cap. Then I rinsed the conditioner with cold water and then t-shirt dried my hair and styled. Thank you so much, dolls, for watching. Remember, ladies, healthy hair starts from within. So if you enjoyed watching my wash day videos, make sure you subscribe by clicking the subscribe button, like button, and sharing. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, dolls.